Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Just picked up Queen Bee. Man, I'm not sure how 5 miles to empty. We're gonna see if we can make it to the gas station. Looks like we're gonna make it to the gas station. And my miles to empty is going up instead of down. So that's good. Here we are, folks. Pulling into the Sunoco. Got something going on with an intake leak. I got a high idle. And my turbo boost gauge is not working, so I need to check that out. My hood's not staying closed. Need to figure that out. Get those latches installed properly and secure this hood. Can't be driving on the safety catch. Queen Bee is back. Yes, it is. Back. Man, he got that bumper looking freaking good. Oh my gosh. Wow. Bumpers all put together. Time to get to work on Queen Bee. The first thing I'm gonna do is pop the hood. I need a vice grips to do that. Put this grill in, get these corner lights in and working. Find the latch for the hood, get the latch installed on that side, and figure out why my idle is high. I got a high idle, something's probably loose in there. So let's pop the hood and get this cracking. This is probably my boost leak right here. It's not connected in there, so let me push that in there, get rid of my boost leak, store this other stuff where it's supposed to be, and put this panel back up here. I have one of these male connectors missing its female connector going to that latch. I think that has something to do with the security system, and these two wires here I bet belong to that. So I need to get a connector for that, hook that up, plug that in there so that latch is back in the loop of the security system. Somebody's got a loose bolt there. That's probably not good. Bolt down there for that latch, get this latch secure. And I need to hook the cable that goes from over that side over to that side. That may be why this is loose, because that cable runs under here. So let me see if I got that cable in the trunk. And actually, let me work on these corner lights first. I want these lights working before I get distracted doing other things. Ha. Ooh, ah. Find the connector for this light. I'm pretty sure this is it here. Ooh. Wonder if it was trapped under that bumper. Do. Yep, look like it may be trapped under the bumper. Let me get under there and see. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.